With the aim to woo Prime Minister Narendra Modi and reboot Indo-US ties, US Secretary of State John Kerry arrived here for the 5th Indo-US strategic dialogue, which begins tomorrow. Now, India will raise the Snoopgate issue with the United States very strongly. US Secretary of State John Kerry flew into India. This visit is being seen as an icebreaker. The Ministry of External Affairs has described this as a visit that will transform Indo-US relations. At least that is the attempt. Kerry arrived in India, is leading a high-level team of the Obama administration, and this is the first big visit after Narendra Modi won his landslide election in May. Headlines today's Jugal Purohit now joins me with the latest on this. Jugal, the aim is to woo Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He says they want transformation in Indo-US ties. How do they intend to go about this? Tell us more about how India intends to take up the Snoopgate issue there.
Well, Gaurav, insofar as this visit is concerned, as you rightly put it, it's the first cabinet level, delegation that's coming to India after Narendra Modi swept to power. And what we understand from speaking to both the sides is that both of them do not, want, none of them, in fact, are looking at big ticket announcements right now. They both essentially are talking about the fact that both the leaderships need to now understand and know each other's worldview better. This meeting is in line with that. Next month, Chuck Hagel, Defense Secretary, Secretary of Defense rather, to the United States administration is expected in India, and September is when Narendra Modi is likely to visit the United States. So there is a lot in the pipeline, and these phases are being described as the initial contact points between both the administrations.
Okay.
Gaurav, there are two sides to this entire story. One is the list of issues where India and US share a common concern and can converge upon. That, of course, includes the increasing role of non-state actors, the rise of China in Asia Pacific, instability in the Middle East, and there are issues on which both of them still have to iron out their differences, like the nuclear liability law, like the WTO talks, and several such other initiatives. So insofar as this issue is concerned, this meet is concerned, it will only be introductory in nature, but there is a long way that Indo-US ties have to go, and both the administrations seem extremely excited about this prospect, because for the last 1.5 years, Indo-US ties have hit the rock bottom.